In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV in Notion. If you've got a spreadsheet you want to bring into Notion as a database, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it, plus a few tips to make sure everything lands in the right place. Before you begin, it helps if your CSV has clear column headers in the first row, consistent formatting for dates and numbers, and no extra blank columns or rows. That prep makes the import cleaner and saves cleanup time later. Start by creating a new page in your Notion workspace. You can click the plus button or the new page option in the sidebar. Give the page a short, descriptive title so you'll recognize it later. You don't need to choose a template here. Starting with a blank page keeps things simple because the import will automatically create a database for you. Once your blank page is open, look to the top right corner of the page and click the three dots. This opens the page menu where you'll find options for page settings, actions, and tools that aren't visible on the main canvas. From this menu, choose Import. Notion supports importing from several sources, but for a spreadsheet file saved on your computer, we'll use the standard file picker. When the import window appears, click Choose a File. This will open your system's file browser. Navigate to the folder where your CSV is saved and select the CSV file you want to bring in. If you keep your files in cloud storage that's synced to your computer, you can choose it from there as well. After you select the file, confirm the choice to start the upload. Notion will process the CSV and create a new database on your page. Each column in your CSV becomes a property, and each row becomes an entry. The property types may default to text at first, but you can change them after import to match your data, like turning a text column into a number, date, checkbox, or select. If your CSV uses commas to separate multiple values in one cell, you can convert that column into a multi-select property later for easier filtering and grouping. Large files may take a moment to finish. That's normal. If something doesn't look right, you can undo immediately or run the import again after making a quick tweak to your CSV headers. And that's it. Your spreadsheet is now a Notion database, ready for views, filters, and collaboration.